There is a official confirmation now which is coming in, and I think we are putting that up at the bottom of the screen. The official confirmation which is coming in is from Pakistan is that they've struck non-military targets, avoiding human loss and collateral damage. Actually, I'm just going to quickly read out verbatim what the release says from Islamabad. Today, Pakistani Air Force undertook strikes across the line of control from within Pakistani airspace. This was not a retaliation to continued Indian belligerence. Pakistan has therefore taken strikes at non-military targets, avoiding human loss and collateral damage. Sole purpose being to demonstrate our right, will and capability for self-defense. We have no intention of escalation, but are fully prepared to do if forced into that paradigm. That is why we undertook the action with clear warning and in broad daylight. For the last few years, India has been trying to establish what they call a new normal, a thinly veiled term for doing acts of aggression at whatever pretext they wish on a given day. If India is striking at so-called terrorist backers without a shred of evidence, then Pakistan retains the right to do so as well. We have no intention of escalation, but are fully prepared to do if forced into that paradigm. So this is, I mean, a statement which is coming in officially being confirmed by the Pakistani spokesperson.
I think it's also important to point out the last few lines, Prashant, where we do not wish to go to that route and wish that India gives peace a chance and to resolve issues like a mature democratic nation. So I think this is an important statement which is coming in from Pakistan at this point in time, and maybe that would probably help in terms of sentiment, and let's see if we can
No, I mean, actually, if you look at the statement itself, and we should have some experts join us on the phone line to talk about this. I mean, if you look at this, there are in many places, actually more than two places in that statement which has come through. You know, the statement from Pakistan does reiterate the fact that you know, they'd want no further escalation, and they'd want peace to prevail, and those kind of things have been said in at least 2 or 3 places, and it kind of sort of that statement ends with that. So you know, we'll see how this is read by experts on security matters, and we'll try and get you some opinion in just a bit. We should also have our colleagues join us with some sort of reaction and opinion, and what else they're picking up apart from this particular statement which has been put forth from the Pakistani side. So we're just sticking with facts as of now. The Pakistan spokesperson officially confirming that there have been you know, Pakistani...
But I think it's important to point out what you said, that they have said that we have no intention of escalation, but are fully prepared to do so if forced into that paradigm. And the last few lines, that we do not wish to go to that route and wish that India gives peace a chance and to resolve issues like a mature democratic nation. And I think we've also had those statements come in from Sushma Swaraj earlier with regards to what kind of strike it was, and I think that should be probably
but if you look at the statement, it says the Pakistani Air Force undertook strikes across line of control from within the Pakistani airspace. This is I mean, they're saying that the Air Force undertook strikes, right? In a way, I mean, they have escalated, and then they're saying that, well, we don't want escalation.
And the sole purpose being to demonstrate our right, will and capability for self-defense. We have no intention of escalation. So to put it into context. Yeah.
I mean, so we'll, as I said, we'll try and get some more opinion on this in just a bit. But that's what we have from the Pakistani spokesperson at this point in time. Let's take a quick look at the market as well. I mean, I think we got about, what, 14, 15 points left in it. So there is not very much by way of a move post the statement, off quite a bit from the day's high, about 110 odd points off the day's high. A very quick break, and we are coming back on this story with some views and opinion. Back in 2.